The story of trust and patience. Abdullah was a hard-working laborer. Every day, he'd roam the market searching for work. He'd knock on doors, asking for odd jobs or daily wages. But day after day, Abdullah found nothing. Heart heavy, he'd walk to the riverbank. There, he'd perform ablution, wudu, pray his voluntary prayers, nafil, and place his trust in Allah. Returning home at dusk, he'd find his children sitting hungry. His wife would say, "The children went hungry again today." Abdullah would reply gently, "I am working, my dear." When she asked for money, he'd explain, "The employer says we'll settle accounts at month's end." One day, his wife's patience wore thin. "If you don't bring money home today," she declared, "I'll take the children and go back to my parents' house." Yet again, Abdullah found no work. As despair threatened to overwhelm him, he returned to the riverbank, seeking solace in prayer and devotion. As evening fell, his wife's words echoed in his mind. Filled with a mix of hope and resignation, he scooped some river sand into the corner of his garment before heading home. When he arrived, he was stunned. His house was filled with light. The air was rich with the aroma of delicious food, and every corner was stocked with sacks of grain. "Where did all this come from?" he asked his wife, bewildered. "Your employer's workers came," she beamed. "They brought sack after sack of provisions and handed over a great sum of money. They said, 'Abdullah's work has pleased us immensely.'" Then she noticed the bulge in his garment. "What's that you're hiding?" "Nothing," Abdullah tried to say, but she playfully tugged at the cloth. It loosened, and from its folds spilled out, dazzling diamonds and gleaming pearls. Abdullah fell to the ground in grateful prostration, sajda shukr, tears of gratitude flowing. Alhamdulillah. For man may forget, but Allah never forgets.